Can going to college help you become a millionaire? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video.
Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how.
All right. To answer the question, can going to college help you become a millionaire? I want to use actual data, actual studies, and I want to take you over to my computer, okay? Now, in today's video, I want to go over a study. It's called the National Study of Millionaires by Dave Ramsey. If you don't know who Dave Ramsey is, he is a financial expert. He helps people get out of debt, and he helps people become millionaires with no debt, okay? That's what he does for a living, and he does this huge study of millionaires. He keeps recurring, asking millionaires questions and gathering data, only asking the millionaires, okay? Not asking people who aren't millionaires. This is straight, true data from only millionaires, okay? The number one thing I want to share with you is that millionaires go to college, okay? But not, in general, not elite colleges, okay? Most millionaires go to normal universities, okay? As you can see here, 62% of millionaires have college degrees from public universities or state schools, okay? Normal college degrees. And they have very successful lives and do great with their money and become millionaires, okay? A very high percentage of millionaires have normal college degrees, okay? Number two, most millionaires, okay, don't make tons and tons of money. They don't have $1 million a year salaries or things like that. A majority of millionaires work respectable jobs, making fairly good incomes, but not rich incomes, okay? Now, the top 5 careers for millionaires, as you can see here, are engineering jobs, accounting jobs, teaching jobs, management jobs, and law jobs, okay? Being an attorney, okay? As you probably know, being an attorney takes longer to go to school, but these other 4 careers, you can get a 4-year degree and get jobs in these careers, respectable jobs, making very good money, enough money to become a millionaire. As you can see here, only 31% of millionaires averaged over $100,000 over the course of their career, okay? And a third of millionaires never made 6 figures. They never made $100,000 in their entire career. They made less than that, okay? So my point here is that most successful people are not the successful people we see on TV. They're not the big business CEOs. They're not the movie stars and the actors and the singers. Yes, there are some of those, okay? But a vast majority of millionaires are people who go to college, get college degrees, normal college degrees, work normal, respectable jobs, making respectable incomes, and being wise with their money. The reason I wanted to point this out is to give everyone hope, okay? It's very easy to feel like we drew the short end of the stick. Maybe we were born into a family that doesn't have a lot of money, and our parents didn't help us with education and go to college and things like that. And we're kind of trapped in these mediocre jobs that we're not happy with, or we're at least not happy with the income, right? My message to each of you is you can get a college degree. You can do it really fast. You can get a respectable job, and you can start working your way towards success. You don't have to live paycheck to paycheck. You can make what you deserve to make. You deserve an opportunity to work in a meaningful job that makes meaningful money. A college degree can help you do that, okay? Now, the problem with college is that it's very expensive and it takes a whole lot of time, okay? That's what we've been taught our whole lives. 4 years and $60,000 to $200,000 in debt to get a college degree. However, times have changed, okay? That's not the case anymore. We don't have to sit in a classroom to get a college degree. We can use the internet. We can use resources that allow us to earn college credits without sitting in classrooms, without sitting through lectures and doing homework and all of those things. Now, the fastest way I have ever found to earn a college degree is called degree hacking, okay? It's a process that involves testing out of every single one of your classes. So without sitting in the classroom and reading the textbooks and doing the homework and all that fluff, getting a degree without all of that stuff, okay? If you'd like to learn how to get a college degree in as little as 6 to 12 months, and when I say in as little as, I'm not talking your entire life being school. I'm talking with a full-time job and a family to support and all that. You can still do it in under a year, okay? If you'd like to learn how to do it, if you'd like to learn the step-by-step exact process that I used to earn a bachelor's degree in 9 months, I'm going to leave a link below in the description, okay? And you can go watch a free training where I literally walk you through the exact process so that you can follow the process for yourself. And my hope is that you can earn a college degree even faster than I did, and that you can get a very respectable job making a very respectable income very, very quickly. Okay, so I'll leave a link down below. Click the link and you can go watch the training for free. Hope this video has helped. I hope it's given you hope that you don't have to stay stuck making less than you deserve, working a job that you're not happy with. Get the college degree, get the better job, move forward, and see financial success in your life. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.